Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Brian D's channel. I'm Brian D. And so today we're going to talk about pool, water, and trying to use the least amount of chemical to keep your water safe to swim in. This is an 18-foot pool. It holds about 6,600 gallons of water. It's on a well, so it's not on city water, and most people don't realize that city water contains fluoride and chlorine. Both of these are pretty harmful if you do a little bit of research on it. Chlorine is linked to arthritis, cancer, and a broad list of things. And fluoride is linked to calcifying the pineal gland and another list of several things. I filled this pool up a month ago, and all I've put in this pool is 4 pounds of baking soda and 1 Clorox tablet that floats around. And so far it looks pretty good. I've got a little piece of copper tube in my filter that runs through the water, and everything seems to be fairly clean and clear. I don't know who comes up with how much chemical they say you need to add to water, but I do know one thing. My water testing strips were made by Clorox, so that gives you an idea. I don't think we need to have all this chemical it says that we need to have, and it's just a gimmick to get you to buy more and use more. And so my hope is that with pretty much no chemical at all, I'll be able to keep my water clean and clear. And I'll let y'all know how that goes. Tune in, like, and subscribe. Thank you.